Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to make roasted grilled veggies and grilled salmon. So if you're cooking with me, here's your ingredient list. Guys, I've already cut down the zucchini and I've washed the mushrooms, and what you see me doing now is I'm just dicing a white onion, and I'm going to go ahead and just saute these in some olive oil. And I just kind of put those on medium. I didn't put them on like medium high or anything like that. And what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare the spice mixture that I'm gonna use for the to season the dish with. All of which you see below. I'm not gonna add any salt because I am watching my sodium intake. And I did sprinkle a little garlic salt toward the end. And I don't even, and it was just like a sprinkle, like a pinch. Just because, like I said, I want to control it. So I did just let the onions and zucchini cook down first before I added the mushrooms. Only because sometimes, mushrooms, they can release a lot of water if, you're not cooking them on a real high heat. And, so that's my spice blend that I mixed up with all of the spices that you see, on the counter. Next, I'm going to take a piece of salmon fillet that I had left over. It's maybe about 4 ounces. I'm not sure, 4 or 5 ounces. And I'm just going to just take it and cube it. And that's just a piece of salmon that I think at the time I got from Publix. But I do have another salmon video that's going to be coming up soon, probably before you get this one, that shows me getting a piece from BJ's, breaking it down. So guys, what I'm going to do is with the remaining spice blend, I'm just going to go ahead, now that my vegetables have sauteed down to my liking, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of that spice blend to the vegetables and let those cook. I did reserve some of it to sprinkle on top of the salmon, which you're gonna see me add later. But I wanted these to like roast. I wanted like a really, really good char on them. And so I added a little bit more olive oil, and I want to also add a little bit of the Smart Balance butter. If you guys haven't tried that, it's really good. And like I said, I am just measuring it because I'm just trying to keep a just a control on this, overall health just all together. So, but you guys don't have to do that. You don't have to use the Smart Balance. Me personally, I love it. It to me, it tastes better than regular butter. I mean, you really can't taste the difference. And at first I was kind of skeptical because I've heard people say that, but I tried it and I love it. I won't use regular butter if I don't have to, you know what I'm saying? Um, you guys, I did go ahead and add the salmon pieces into the skillet, and now I'm just letting those cook some. Um, I didn't want to move them around too much because, as you can see, they did kind of break apart on me some. Um, so I'm just going to let it cook down maybe about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. Now it's done, and I'm just going to go ahead and plate it up. Guys, this was really simple. And like I said, that was one zucchini, and it was about 2 cups of mushrooms that I had. They were already sliced, but I did clean them. I'm sorry, y'all. I have to clean my mushrooms. I can't. I'm not with that wiping it off. I'm sorry. I know a lot of people don't do that. They just wipe it off and they think that's fine. No, y'all, listen, those things on the ground. I gotta wash them. But and they just so dirty. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just plate this up. I'm just gonna put the zucchini mixture, zucchini, onion, mushroom um in the bottom of the bowl, and I'm gonna place the salmon on top. And guys, that was just the seasonings, the spices that I used. The cumin really did take it to another level for me. And like I said, I didn't add any salt. I did add it at the very end. I just sprinkled a little bit of garlic salt on top, not even a half a teaspoon. Like I said, because I just wanted to just monitor the sodium intake, but I did squeeze some lemon juice on top, and that, kind of substituted for the salt, which was delicious. But if you guys aren't watching your sodium intake or anything like that, then feel free to go ahead and add regular salt, to this dish if you like. So I'm just going to garnish this with a little bit of lemon just for decorations, and I'm going to also just sprinkle it with a little bit more parsley. Y'all know that little green grass don't do nothing, but it just makes everything so cute. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Please leave comments down below. Let me know if you try any of these dishes. And I use a teaspoon of each one of those spices. All right, guys. Have a good day. Bye.